Hi guys, this is a quick video to show you how to access your WebEx recordings. So if you are unable to attend a WebEx class meeting in real time or in person, you can always access the recording later. So here is your Canvas homepage for our class. In the left-hand menu at the bottom, you'll see a link that says Cisco WebEx. If you click on that link, the WebEx page will open. This is where you would come to actually attend a meeting. So when a meeting is coming up, you'll see it listed here, and off to the right, it'll say join, and you'll click on join. If you want to look at past meetings that you may or may not have attended, you can click on this and it'll tell you when the last meeting was held. So for this class, that was held yesterday at 9:25. And then if you want to find recordings of those meetings, you'll obviously click on recordings and then just click view recording and the recording will open up. Normally when you hit view recording, it's going to ask you to copy the password, so make sure you hit copy, and once you hit copy, it's going to take you to the next page, view recording, and that's it. The recording will open up and you'll be good to go.